To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Tap on your Bitmoji icon or profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Swipe up to scroll down. And under the Features section, you will find the new Lockscreen shortcut update. If you don't see it, make sure to update your Snapchat app. Then, tap on it to proceed. Next, toggle the slider next to Lockscreen shortcut to enable the feature. From the confirmation window, tap OK to proceed. Now, lock your phone and check to see the changes. And this is the Snapchat app shortcut on your lock screen. So that's how you can add the Snapchat shortcut to your phone's lock screen.